Okay, so we're up to 50. So this isn't bad now. So that scaling did matter a lot. See, even, yeah, they're open, but I mean, I'm not thinking about it. Let's see that 90% spike, but no, I was, that's why I'm on it. But I was like hitting 100%. Okay, so we're up to 50. So this isn't bad now. And I can hear it playing back. It did matter a lot. See, even is, but then it's up and down and up and down. They're open, but I mean, I'm not. But look what's happening. See that 90% spike. Here's the other thing I noticed. Let's just ignore YouTube for a minute. The other thing I noticed. No, I was. That's why I'm on it. But I was like hitting 100%. So we're up to this goes down. So this isn't bad now. Oh, OBS did matter a lot for it to see, even is. But there we go. Look at that. Minimizing OBS. Really look at that. But look at that was the most significant. Minimizing OBS and the browser. So as long as something is open, it's trying to draw to the screen, even if it's behind. Because watch, the browser was like hitting, popped up 100%. So this goes down. So this isn't bad now. Oh, OBS did matter a lot for it to see, even is. But there we go. Right, like even this, right? We're displaying. Look at that. And I'll bet you, watch. That was the most. I'll let it advertise and the browser. So as long as something is open, so it's trying to draw to the screen. So it's chugging along, up and down. Because watch, the browser was like hitting, popped up 100%. Yeah. So this is bad now. Well, OBS did matter a lot for it to see, even is. But there we go. Right, like even this, right? We're displaying. Look at that. And I'll bet you, watch. That was the most. I'll let it advertise and the browser. So as long as something is open, so it's trying to draw to the screen. So it's chugging along, up and down. Oh, I see. The browser like that. Popped up 100%. Yeah. So this is bad now. Well, OBS did matter a lot for it to see, even. Yeah, let's do it over here. Right, like even this, right? We're displaying. Look at that. And I'll bet you, watch. That was the most. I'll let it advertise and the browser. So as long as something is open, so it's trying to draw to the screen. I think it is because this has nothing to do. This is actually working quite well. Well, it's still 45, but this is nowhere near the 100. And the interesting thing is when you first came in on Go to Assist, it jumped up 30%. So if I kill Go to Assist, that would be nothing. So it is because this has difference is redrawing. So I bring this up, actually working quite well. Yeah, it spiked. Well, it's still 45, but this is nowhere near the 100. And then you bring, and the interesting thing is when you first came in on Go to Assist, it jumped up 30%. So if I kill Go to Assist, that would be nothing. So it is because this has difference is redrawing. So I bring this up, actually working quite well. Yeah, it spiked. Here we go. Well, it's still 45, but this is nowhere near the 100. And the interesting thing is that you first came in on Go to Assist, it jumped up 30%. So if I kill Go to Assist, that would be fine. But this is nowhere near the 100. So the difference is the interesting thing is this is came in on quite well. Go to Assist, it jumped up 30%. So if I kill Go to Assist, that would be fine. to assist, it jumped up 30%. So if I killed her to assist, it was 5. Are you seeing what YouTube's doing here? Now? I think it's kind of blinking out gray. Are you seeing what YouTube's doing here? Now? You see that? On ours it is. And that only happens when let's kind of minimize all gray. Are you seeing what YouTube's doing here? On ours. So as long as things aren't up, which makes sense, right? Because the GPUs for a lot of stuff, right? And that's why the GPUs don't have much. Now here was the weird, which makes sense, right? So I added. Now here was the weird, which makes sense, right? So I added. Now here was the weird. Which makes sense, right? So I added. Now here was the weird. Which makes sense, right? So I added. Now here was the weird. Which makes sense, right? So I added. Here was the weird. Which makes sense, right? That we're doing our screen capture, right? And we have a different scene set up. So like Price asked today, what if they want to go from screen capture to like, you know, their Dias cam that we're doing? Sure, we just have it right. Scene. And notice that when I actually, and we have a different scene set up. So like Price asked today, what if they want to go from screen capture to like, you know, their Dias cam that we're doing? Sure, we just have it on our scene capture. And notice that when I actually, and we have a different scene set up. So like what if Price asked today, what if they want to go from screen capture? There we go. Like, you know, their Dias, but we have a, sure, we just have it on our scene. And notice that when I actually, and we have a different scene set up. So like what if Price asked today, what if they want to go from screen capture? There we go. Like, you know, their Dias, but we have a, sure, we just have it on our scene. And notice that when I actually, and we have a different scene set up. So like what if Price asked today, what if they want to go from screen capture? There we go. So you can, say I wanted scene 2 as a PFP. Notice that when I actually, how do I do that? And we have a different scene set up. So like what if Price asked today, what if they want to go from screen capture? Of course. So you can, say I wanted scene 2 as a PFP. Notice that when I actually, how do I do that? And we have a different scene set up. So like what if they want to go from screen capture? Of course. So you can, say I wanted scene 2 as a PFP. Oh, so just add the video. So you can, but won't it say I'll be able to? Because I, oh, so just add the video. So you can, but won't it say I'll be able to? Because I say I wanted scene 2 as a PFP. Oh, so just add the video. Oh, so just add the video. So you can So just add the video. So just add the video. You know what though? You know what though? Okay, so here's a flaw. So I was noticing that it's going constantly as long as I have my audio in, right? So you know what though? But then because I have this, you know what? Okay, so here's a right. It's playing back forward. Right? I was noticing that I'm currently got my speakers muted. It's going constantly. Even though I have my speakers muted, right? So I'm then because I have to. So you know what? Okay, so here's a. I'm getting so if I hit something back, you know what though? You can hear. You know what though? Okay, so here's a. Right. Even though I have my but no, the recording is getting my. I'm moving. So basically, I'm getting so if I hit something. But then because I hear. You know what? Okay, so here's a. Right. No, because I've been muted. Like I have already getting. Or yeah, the browser. So even though I have my speaker, but the other thing I'm getting worried about is this gray. Like I haven't seen my GPU pop up. Well, yeah, I got 90%. So so basically minimizing anything on the screen is helping that enormously. And then just having AV capture run. Let's see if it breaks out again. Oh. No, it already flaked out on me. So once I hit overnight, so this, I'm not recording anymore. See, that froze. Everything froze. Which is why, look, my video decode totally went. It just flopped. Well, I just minimized it. It's right here. Because I was minimizing everything. See, look, OBS is live. It's no problem. But AV Capture flaked out again. I know. See, that's why. See, and that's what happened before when it crashed. Before it was just a log full of this, you know, the PTS DTS stuff, and then it just crashed. But right now, see, so it's like as soon as the GPU got over a certain percent, we've lost it. But AV Capture thinks it's fine. But oh, look. It's still doing it. It's just the display. Oh no, it's back. It caught up. See, look, it came back. Video decode. Now, this is why I wanted to get an external GPU, do some more thorough tests. See, yeah, all of that between 319.30 and 319 or 320.33 a minute. I couldn't keep up. And I did see the GPU. We're trying for constant repent rate, but the way VLC works is it just tries to achieve what your target is, so it's not actually CBR. Oh wait, I'm losing my video decode again. Oh, but it's still working. I haven't lost it. That's called multi-bit rate encoding. So all the new modern encoders, see, we were going to do this too before we went to VLC. We were going to use expression encoder from Microsoft, and it did multi-bit rate encoding. And I've wanted to do that forever, but talk about resource intensive. You're literally encoding multiple things at the same time at different bit rates and different resolutions. But one of the things I'm excited about is where did I? Right here. So column it's also called what's the other name for multi-bit rate? It's referred to as adaptive. Because it's the adaptive streaming on the other end. So, okay, so show me adaptive. Fixed adaptive, multiple adaptive stack, fixed adaptive, unwanted. Adaptive streaming. Rewrite MPEG dash, dynamic. So this is the streaming part of it. Replaced HTTP live stream filter with new HLX demux, or replaced with smooth stream filter with smooth, both using adaptive. But I don't think this is at the encoding level because adaptive streaming over HTTP is MPEG dash, which is what our Azure is putting out, MPEG dash. And then HTTP dynamic streaming is HDS, isn't it? But MPEG, right. Moved modules. MPEG dash. Dynamic adaptive streaming over. And this is under access, so yeah, I don't know if you can actually even. Multi-bit rate HVC, we have to change our encoder from H.264 to I think it's H.265 is H streaming video. I'm not playing with that. Yeah, AVCA is H.265, which we could try. Last time I tried H.265 encoding in AVC. So here's something that's interesting. Okay, so we got everything working. So I just needed to know that GPU. So if, here, let me do something real quick. 28% to 38%, and that's with, if OBS was showing, yeah, that's where we spike, because we're rendering. If we keep it closed, there we go. Now, if I'm gonna stop my screen sharing with you for a second, because I think it's the act of screen sharing that's intensive. So it's spiked. Well, it didn't do much actually. Minimize context. Yeah. very fair to, it's pretty consistent. So here would be an interesting thing. Oh gosh, that was a scary one. Look, CPU is only 34%, 40%. GPU is only 50, and I hit exit session a while ago. I got nothing. Did it not? I know, but I hit exit session like a while ago. Uh-huh. Yeah. And it's not. Mm-mm. Oh yeah. It was behind my yikes.